Hey there, Trend family. I have a great news for you all. The game just changed because starting right now, our social media booster platform just leveled up in a big way. That's right. We've officially integrated Trend token payments directly into the Trend with Threads website, our social media booster. No more screenshots, no more waiting, no more chasing confirmations. From this moment on, you can complete your Trend payment. And yes, you're instantly redirected to submit your order with a built-in form that confirms everything in one smooth, simple flow. It's 100% automated, it's 100% Web3, and it's built just for you. This is a huge win for creators, influencers, entrepreneurs, anyone who's been using our boosters to grow fast, stay consistent, and dominate on social. And honestly, this update is personal because we've been here since the beginning, grinding, building, listening to the community. TRND didn't start with VC money or flashy promises. It started with an idea to build a real token with real utility, something that actually helps people win. And look where we are now. Today's update proves that TRND is not just another token. We're building a full-blown ecosystem, and we're doing it one feature at a time.
So here's how it works now. You head over to trendwiththreads.com, choose your booster package, click Pay with Trend, approve the transaction in your wallet. Instantly, you're redirected to our order form to finalize your request. That's it. Smooth, clean, fast, no manual steps, no back and forth, just plug and play. But fam, that's just the beginning. Let's talk about what's coming next. Trend staking pools. Lock your tokens and earn juicy rewards daily. We've got pools for every type of holder, from quick stakers to long-term believers. Think high APYs and flexible terms. Play to earn, music, DApp. We're bringing in fun skill-based blockchain games where Trend is the main currency. Users can earn Trend tokens through uploading music on our music NFT platform, contributing educational content to Trend Academy, listen to music, and get paid.
Trend staking pools. Lock your tokens and earn juicy rewards daily. We've got pools for every type of holder, from quick stakers to long-term believers. Think high APYs and flexible terms. Play to earn gaming. We're bringing in fun, skill-based blockchain games where TRND is the main currency. Find treasures, win battles, and get paid. Trend AI trading bot. Imagine this. Real-time crypto and forex insights powered by machine learning, unlocked through staking. This bot will help you trade smarter, earn more, and stay ahead of the curve. Profit-sharing models. You win, we all win. Our system will allow the community to earn a portion of profits from successful trades and ecosystem growth. Music dApps, NFT drops, a creator-first economy. The roadmap is wild, and you're early. So if you've been watching from the sidelines, let this be your sign. Get your Trend tokens, try the payment system, stake, play, earn, repeat. We're not just making updates, we're making history. The Trend movement is real, the vision is clear, and every single one of you is part of this revolution. So let's go. Hit up trendwiththreads.com, test the new Trend Pay experience, and keep your eyes on the prize, because the best is still coming. Thank you for believing. Thank you for building. And as always, stay focused, stay fired up, and most importantly, stay trendy. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen.